A Mylperheriprion melanopus, also known as the cinnamon clownfish, fire clownfish, red and black anemone fish, black-backed anemone fish, or dusky anemone fish or dusky anemone fish, is a widely distributed anemone fish chiefly found in the western and southern parts of the Pacific Ocean. The species' scientific name Melanopus is Greek, meaning black feet in reference to the black pelvic fins. Like all anemones, it forms a symbiotic mutualism with sea anemones and is unaffected by the stinging tentacles of the host. It is a sequential hermaphrodite with a strict size-based dominance hierarchy. The female is largest, the breeding male is second largest, and the male non-breeders get progressively smaller. As the hierarchy descends, they exhibit protandry, meaning the breeding male will change to female if the sole breeding female dies, with the largest non-breeder becomes the breeding male. Melanopus adults can grow to 12 centimeters, 4.7 inches. The body of A. melanopus is a dark red to orange with mahogany sides. Juveniles and adults have a white headband, which is wide and starts behind the eye. The dorsal and caudal fins of the fish have a lighter color than the rest of the fish and can sometimes be a cinnamon color. The pelvic fins are usually black. Historically, anemone fish have been identified by morphological features, color pattern in the field, while in a laboratory other features such as scalation of the head, tooth shape, and body proportions. These features have been used to group species into 6 complexes. Melanopus is in the tomato complex and so is similar to other members of the complex. Melanopus are similar in appearance but geographically distinct, with a rubrocinctus limited to northwestern Australia. Barbary was previously thought to be a geographic variation of a melanopus, and there are significant color pattern differences, with a melanopus having a dark brown or blackish body compared to the red-orange of A. barbary. Melanopus also has 1926 spines in the upper opercular series, while A. barbary is only 1119. A. melanopus is widely distributed in the western Pacific from the Great Barrier Reef north to the Marshall Islands and Guam. It was previously thought to be present in Fiji, Tonga, and the Samoan Islands. However, that fish has now been described as a separate species, barbary. The relationship between anemone fish and their host sea anemones is not random and instead is highly nested in structure. Melanopus is a generalist, being usually hosted by one anemone, but also hosted by 2 other anemones. Like all anemone fish, Melanopus is omnivorous, and its diet is based on zooplankton, small benthic crustaceans, and algae. Anemone fish and their host anemones are found on coral reefs and face similar environmental issues. Like corals, anemones contain intracellular endosymbionts, zooxanthellae, and can suffer from bleaching due to triggers such as increased water temperature or acidification. The other threat to anemone fish is collection for the marine aquarium trade, where anemone fish make up 43% of the global marine ornamental trade, and 25% of the global trade comes from fish bred in captivity, while the majority are captured from the wild, accounting for decreased densities in exploited areas. While bleaching is a significant threat to anemone fish and their host anemones, there is evidence suggesting that collection compounds the localized impact of bleaching. This species was not evaluated in the 2012 release of the IUCN Red List. The species has successfully been bred in an aquarium. It may move or cover corals with sand. Melanopus may become territorial and aggressive once established in a tank. This fish will accept a variety of foods in the aquarium, including flakes, brine shrimp, algae, and pellets. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to please like and subscribe. If you have a topic you would like to suggest, leave a comment.